Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
Along a line extending from near Palm Valley to near Nocatee to Bayard, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sawgrass, Nocatee, Durban, San Pablo, South Ponte Vedra Beach, Palm Valley, Jacksonville Beach, South Ponte Vedra, Neptune Beach, and Bayard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in Florida: Duval and St. John's. This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 20 nautical miles, waters 60 nautical miles, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:29 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Augustine Beach to near Crescent Beach, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Villano Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, and Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 60 nautical miles. This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 20 nautical miles, waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 1 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 33 nautical miles east of St. Augustine Beach to 22 nautical miles east of Crescent Beach to 12 nautical miles east of Marineland, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, Casablanca Reef, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Tournament Reef, Butler Beach, Navy Driddock, Marineland, Big George's Reef, and Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach out 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs.
God darn it, laptop.
Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of...
Thanks a lot, laptop. Thanks a lot.
From 28 nautical miles south of Buckeye Reef to 35 nautical miles...
Thanks a lot for crapping out on me.
8 nautical miles west of Egmont Key, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azello, Crystal River, Bayport, Tarpon Springs, Youngstown, Dunedin, Hernando Beach, Clearwater Pass, Port Richey, Enclave Key, Indian Shore Reef, Cedar Key, Arapaca, and Clearwater Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Well, there you go. And Discord just sent it out. Like, thanks a lot. Yeah. Thanks a lot, stupid laptop, for crapping out my internet.
King shelter. Tornado warning for the following county: Putnam, Florida. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for central Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hollister, or 8 miles southeast of Interlaken, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Palatka around 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East Palatka around 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. San Mateo around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Orange Mills around 7:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, KSP32 got it as well. No, that is much perfect activation on this one. Right there's that next Marine warning. It goes all the way to 10:24 a.m. Wait, a 2-hour Marine warning? Look at that. A 2-hour Marine warning. Like, golly. Alright, WHPT.
National Weather Service in Weston has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sumter County in central Florida, northeastern Pasco County in west central Florida, eastern Hernando County in west central Florida, until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of the sky, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado.
Oh god, TOR for Hernando, Pasco, and Sumter.
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles
No way! Tornado warning! Melbourne! Yep, blinking orange.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating.
Oh, it's for Mineola.
9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida.
Wow. Look, and Melbourne has already issued a TOR. After TVW, now Melbourne was going to issue one. First it was TVW, now. Wait, it's near Muscat? Uh-oh.
Former fucking TO1 for Pasco County. South Jordan, Hernando County, Florida. TO1 for Pasco.
Oh! Guys? Guys? Oh, God.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh!
Manatee County in
Manatee!
Florida, northern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, Sarasota County in west, Sarasota County in west. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
My MD-319's first severe thunderstorm warning.
moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour.
What the?
Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Oxford, Cedar Creek Estate, Blanca River State Park, South Venus, Vamo, Laurel, Off-Kushner State Park, Warm Mineral Springs, Hidden River, and Nicomas. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go once into a small central room in a fridge structure.
91.3.
Protection room for an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Thing, and when they're both telling me that I've got something to look
WSRZ.
Florida.
Yo! My MD-319's first severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, that is sick, dude. Oh my God. Should have kept it on WXK for now, because I should have my 120 go off for that, but oh well.
Yeah, can you guys hear me?
But yeah. There it is. Drop in Sarasota. A radar indicated water spout.
Yeah, drive home in.
Stock up early and you'll be able to save up to $20 on Scott's Triple Action products today.
Hold on.
Because inconvenience isn't healthy. Here, at Florida Blue Sanitas Medical Centers, you can get connected with healthcare services that go further, so you don't have to go farther. From primary care and 24/7 virtual care to on-site labs and mental health support. Get it all here under one.
There goes WHBT.
Central Sarasota County, Central Florida, at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:53 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a radar indicated water spout was located just offshore 11 miles south of Gate Estates, or 17 miles south of Sarasota, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to the
Alright, 1079 is going off. Wow. Yeah, it was for Sarasota. This is going over Sarasota there. Too bad my MD319 would have gone out for a first tour. But oh well, maybe the next one. If it gets for my coverage, if it goes for DeSoto, that's when my MD319 gets its first tour. So we'll see what happens then. Oh, I got an RWT going. I just got another mesoscale discussion. It's another 20% watch.
Issued a required weekly test for all of Connecticut.
all of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message equals open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Okay, 21 for St. Lucie. It's for Fort Pierce.
Water is smooth. After mid-forecast.
That was tornado warning for Fort Pierce.